friends, today I am going to discuss judgment of Supreme Court Golaknath case in 1967. Golaknath case. Golaknath case 1967. That is useful in your mains exam of UPSC. Its synopsis. The Golaknath case. The Golaknath case. (1967) dealt with the question of whether the Indian Parliament whether the Indian Parliament had the power to amend the fundamental rights mentioned in the Constitution of India. The court held that the Parliament cannot amend fundamental right rights. The ruling was overturned in Keshavananda Bharati versus Union of India. 1973 case which held that Parliament had the power to amend any part of the Constitution, including the fundamental rights, as long as it did not damage or destroy the basic structure of the Constitution of the Constitution. Hence, next we move on back to its background. In this connection, it was urged. In this connection, it was urged. It was urged that Shankari Prasad's case in which the validity of Constitution Seventeenth Amendment Act 1964 had been upheld by this court. Court had been wrongly decided. It was contended that Parliament. Next point. It was contended that Parliament had no power to amend the fundamental right. Fundamental rights. In Part 3 of the Constitution. After that, we talk about matter in question. Golaknath filed a writ. Petition under Article 32 of the Constitution and challenged the validity of the Punjab security of land tenure Act, which violated his fundamental rights to hold